Rubin Amorim. Rubin Amorim. Ruben Amorim, Amorim, Ruben Amorim, Ruben Amorim. Because from the top, he was one of the worst. Now he's one of the best. But people sack him. Get sacked by Manchester United. Bro, they leave him. You're going to wait because you're going to down. Ruben Amorim, Amorim. Ruben Amorim. Ruben Amorim, Ruben Amorim, Ruben Amorim, Ruben Amorim, Ruben Amorim, Ruben Amorim. He was one of the best, but now he's going to die because he couldn't drop to the bottom. Because nobody believes in him. He shakes the normal manager. He can't handle pressure. Sure. He cannot handle the pressure. The people cannot handle the Gary Nevilles. And if people cannot handle the criticism and everything, we got to change the club. Ruben Amorim's club. Ruben Amorim.